Right. So this is 062, and we needed 1.5 inches, so we got 1.5 inches, and this is our plate in here. So I'm going to weld this 062 to that 062. We got supports on the back. We got some aluminum as a heat sink. We don't want this to, I think it's a fillet, so it's probably going to try to pull in. We have heat sinks below and heat sinks above, and clamp down so that this piece won't do any of that, and hopefully this piece won't do any of that. How about that way? Maybe I better put another clamp on this one. Let's consult the good book of armaments. So 062 looks like we're at 17 volts, and 062 looks like we're, hard to see, hang on. So 062 looks like we were like 125 and 17. Well, gnarly at best, right? Alright, so when I started out, it looks like I got a pretty good weave going. But as I get further along, it gets tighter to get the MIG gun in there, and I don't think I'm doing my weave right. Oh well. Alright, so you know, starting out I seem to get a weave pattern going, but by the time I get down to the end, I kind of get jammed in there with the clamps and stuff, and I think my weave pattern goes to hell. Well, we're practicing. Start out too bad, but definitely by the time I get to the end, I should probably take more breaks just to relax. I did try to get more of the clamps out of the way so I wasn't jammed up so much. Alright, here we go. I see a couple spots here. Looks like it's getting, you know, maybe some full penetration there. And let's see on this side. Alright, we have to clean those up. Let's check alignment. Alright, some things look like a bit out of alignment. Let's look here. Yeah, it looks like it's bowed outward. Alright, so that one's tight over there, but you can see that's quite a bit of so this is bowed. So this is bowed. When you look, it looks like this is out a little bit. And why is it important? Just because, like when we do the things that go on the side, right? Right, so that's like 4 1/16. That's like 4 1/4 at the top side. And it's like 4 1/8 on the bottom side. So it does look like this has come out a bit, and this has come out a bit, and this is bowed a bit. How critical is it? Well, we just gotta get the angle on the side to rotate through, and this has to be flat. So when we bolt it to the main tube here, the main tube, I don't have anything to show you, main tube, but when we bolt it to the main tube, it's going to twist a bit if it isn't straightened out. So we'll have to ponder how to do that.